So let me start with this quote. The fruits of vision achievement, persistence on vision, consistency in following through, consistency in charting the path towards your vision. The fruits of all of these are born directly out of the quality of the vision creation process itself. The fruits of vision achievement are born directly out of the quality of the vision creation process itself. That is, the quality of the vision itself has a lot to do about your being able to follow through. It has a lot to do about your being able to achieve that vision. In one of my previous videos, I mentioned the fact that when you craft your vision, you need to be intentional about going 6 steps deep. Don't just craft surface level needs, surface level goals. You go 6 steps deep. So, what do we mean? You need to, when we talk about ruthlessly, locking onto your vision, the root, the seed of achieving that is formed in the way you have crafted your vision. So the first thing you need to get done is you need to upgrade your vision. You need to upgrade your vision to a level that you are getting mental orgasm each time you read it. You need to upgrade your vision to a level when you read it, your energy goes from whatever level it is to 100%. You need to upgrade your vision to a level where when you read it, it's as if they have lighted firework. It's as if, they have just unleashed a lion onto the prey. You need to, when you say mental orgasm, orgasm, the sexual transmutation, how do you bring that energy? That's one of the greatest source of energy to an average human. How do you embody that energy? How does your vision give you that level of energy? That's exactly what you want to do. That's exactly how you want to feel each time you read your vision. So you need to upgrade your vision.